It is for sale. The lovely Metal Pete is demonstrating the globe there. That's the globe it came with, but we don't think it's the right globe for it because it doesn't quite fit in there properly. I'm also not used to dealing with stealth, so it's possible that it is the right globe and I just didn't figure it out, so that's why we're showing it to you, because I can happily include it should somebody want to buy the fan. You can go ahead and take it away, Metal Pete.
Okay.
Also came with a 18-inch, I think, I didn't measure, brush nickel down rod, and comes with not one, but two W85 controls.
Intellitouch.
Intellitouch W85. This will be my first time testing a W85 fan, so this will be a learning experience for me. You guys know I'm not Mr. Intellitouch. So I'm going to pass the camera off to his metalness, who's going to take some very metal shots of it. So, for starters, we've even struck the decade box. I didn't even realize that. For starters, I'm going to, Metal Pete knows that term when I say struck, because that's a entertainment industry term when you remove something from the set. Like you strike the drums after a show means taking the drums off the stage.
Yep.
Yes.
So Andy would know that too, of course. Both everybody here being involved in the entertainment industry in some way, but my viewers might not.
Yep.
Yeah.
TV production uses that term as well.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna hit the power button and let's see what it defaults to. Bright light and no fan. Interesting. It was defaulting to dim light and fan on high reverse last time we powered it on. So this is what I left it at. So I guess that's a good thing. I'm gonna hit the let's see if demo mode. I don't know if demo mode works in W85. Either of you guys remember, is it light, fan, or fan, light, fan, light?
I think it's light fan.
Let's try it. Light, fan, light, fan, light, fan.
Yeah.
Maybe not. There wasn't a little Intellitouch paper over here that said what
What all the different modes were.
yeah. Let's see if it says demo mode. This is it, by the way. It's just a matter of this is for W11, which is several things removed. Doesn't say in that one. Does this one say? It's a lot of paper.
Isn't that 5 total actions? It's either fan, light, fan.
Automatic demonstration program. Turn power off for at least 10 seconds. Fan, light, fan.
Yeah, that power off for 10 seconds too.
Yeah, I never remember to do that, and that's why I always had a problem with demo mode. So power off. Who wants to count? Which of you guys is better at counting?
4.
Guess we should ask the drummer. Drummers can usually only count to 4, though.
Right, but tell you what, in television, 5, 4,
That's true.
3.
Or you can be in dance. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh,
Have you been a floor director then?
Is that asking his metalness?
Right.
Huh?
You've been a floor director then?
No, I watched Wayne's World.
Oh.
Remember that?
Um,
You didn't say 2 or 1.
Right.
Okay, I'm going to hit power. Fan, light, fan. Nice. So demo mode still is the same with W85. You gotta love Casablanca. It hasn't killed off some of their old classics yet. Interesting, it just went 1, 2, 3, and then started on it like it didn't. It's not even letting it get up to speed. It's interesting.
And now it's reversing.
I don't think I like I don't think I like demo mode as much on ye old W85. Is it done? No, I don't think so.
Nope, it's got to do high reverse.
Maybe now? Okay, well, that was the underwhelming demo mode. Yep, it's starting over. So I'm hit power. I don't think it has to be 10 seconds in this case, so I'll just, So power off, obviously it draws 0 current. Power on, it draws, right now it's drawing 0.27, so fan must be on. Let's, turn the fan off. With nothing happening, it draws 0.1 amps, which is just what the control is drawing, just to stay current. I'm going to hit the light button. That gives you full light. Full light for this is 0.4. This is this bulb I had to steal from my Kichler Turna, I think it's called, because it didn't come with a bulb. You know, I really think that glass had to come with it, because I don't know if you guys saw it. The controls were all wrapped together with the hang true and inside the glass.
Mm.
So the glass clearly came with it, but
All right, so if it's the wrong glass, it would have to have come from whoever gave it to Habitat.
right. Maybe they broke the glass, tried to find a replacement, couldn't get it to work, or maybe they ordered a replacement from Casablanca, couldn't get it to work. I don't know, but it's like I said, it's not my wheelhouse. I'm gonna hold down the light button and see if it dims. No, did it start dimming there?
Yeah, I did.
Okay,
I saw it.
gradual. Is it still spinning down, or is the fan on? I think it's still spinning down.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta get
Which
back up.
Habitat did you find this at?
The one by our houses.
West side.
Yeah.
Was this, this was after Mark
Yeah.
found the Zephyr?
Yeah, I went either Thursday or Friday of last week. I try to go twice a week since it's right by the house. It's silly for me not to check it at least twice a week since it's literally blocks away, you know? Sometimes I go more often than that. Some weeks I miss, and I always regret it because then something cool always turns up and some, you know. My usual routine is Tuesday, Thursday.
Mm.
So if you want, I never go on Saturdays. So if you want to go on Saturdays, you'd cover a base that I would never cover. And sometimes I go Fridays. It's very rare that I go on Wednesdays. Okay, let's try the fan. I'm going to try holding down the fan button. Low.
Seems like they've been getting a lot of Casablancas lately.
Madison has always had a lot of Casablancas and Homesteads. Because, that's a nice low speed, 0.27 by the way. All the showrooms in Madison sold Casablanca, and most of them sold Homestead. Because back in the day, Crescent Lighting sold Casablanca, Madison Lighting sold Casablanca and Homestead, and Isthmus Lighting sold Casablanca and Homestead.
Mm-hmm.
Only one I'm not sure if they sold Homestead or not was Crescent. I don't actually know what Crescent sold besides Casablanca and Thomas. Those are the only two I remember there. Isthmus, I remember, had Casablanca and Homestead, but I don't remember what else. Madison Lighting had Casablanca, Homestead, Minka, Emerson.
They had everything.
Kind of stuff. None of the Southern brands, though. Not Fasco, not Newtone, which wasn't really a showroom brand in a lot of cases anyways. So that's low. Speed 2.34.
How many speed is this?
Intellitouch is 6 speed.
Oh.
Yeah. Metal Pete tried to kill the Intellitouch, but he was not successful. If he was, we would have had to have performed a burial ritual. Because that's the name of his band. See, that's why I said that. Speed 3.49. Four. 0.66. When a fan like this wobbles, where you know it can't be a bent blade arm, it's just that the wood has changed density with time, and so you have to just adjust for it with weight.
Yep.
0.79 for speed 5. And high. 0.91.
It's,
Quite powerful.
oh, it is.
If I add the light, it is 1.25. I'm not sure if that light is full brightness though. Oh, no, now it is. Oops, now it's off.
Yeah.
0.9. It's at 0.9 on high, and it moves quite the air,
Oh, yeah.
as one would expect it to. It's K55. Those blades are pretty wide. I'll take turns with Metal Pete back here. Can't remember if I said it earlier. For sale, it includes a hang true, and 2 W85s, and a long down rod. This down rod that's on it right now did not come with it. Just the one I had lying around the shop. Does not have all the screws. Yeah, it's about normal K55 fan back here. It's missing the blade to blade bracket screws. I think that's all it's missing. And it's missing the hang true mounting plate, which I might even have a spare of, I'm not sure, but don't hold me to it. Otherwise, I know Cole has spares of those. So let's hit fan off.
Spin down.
And I'm going to reverse it while it's spinning down. Did it let me reverse it? Maybe, like some remote fans have to be reversed while the fan is running, which is interesting because of, you're not supposed to reverse a fan while it's running. So it's interesting they would build in a feature that's bad. You know, it's like a doctor's office serving fried chicken or whatever. So I would totally go to that doctor's office. Still drawing 0.1 amps just from the remote. I wonder why that's nothing that the is it the EPA? Who's with the standards for efficiency in ceiling fans? Is that EPA? Who? Energy Star? Who does that? Nobody's been concerned about that. All these remote fans are drawing current even when they're off, but they want to reduce them by like, you know, a watt here, a watt there while they're running. Once it stops. Which I do just by holding down the fan button. Now I'm going to hit reverse.
There it goes.
Yeah, with the old school Intellitouch, it will reverse even if the fan isn't spinning. So we have low reverse, 0.27. Low speed 2, 0.34. Low speed 3, 0.49. You want to turn that blender fan off there, Andy? Or Metal Pete, I guess he was filming, so that's why I didn't ask him. We can just see if it's gonna run the blender fan. Next speed is 0.65. I can't remember what we're on. Were we on 4?
Yeah. 5.
0.78. Good attempt there, Andy. Was there stuff on those blades?
Yes.
Dirt?
Dust.
Dust. That does happen.
Okay, I'm going to stop this and see
Yeah.
how we do.
And high. Whoops. Oh, no, I did it right. 0.9.
Oh yeah, we're getting a little bit of
Yeah.
movement.
I thought this one might, but that's why I checked. Yeah, it's moving the blender fan.
And I can feel it right here.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Reverse sometimes does some magic.
Well,
I'm going to reverse it now.
You went from high reverse right to high forward.
Well, I'm trying to turn it off, but it's not listening to me. There we go. So we don't have to let it spin down again. I just wanted to do a 0 to high, which now I believe I'll be able to do by just hitting the fan button.
Okay.
0.91, and it's going to drop to 0.9. So yeah, I can't hang on to this. So somebody buy it from me, please. I'm not setting a price because it needs to go quickly, so make an offer. I think the last stealth I sold, did I call it a stealth? That's the new model. I think the last stealth I sold went for $200, but since this is questionable glass, and I need to sell it quickly, I will expect the offer to be less than that. So, you know, go with a good offer that's, you know, below that, and I'll consider it. And,
Or above that. Feel free to go above that.
yeah, feel free to
if
go
you want
above. By all means. It does come, I mean, 2 W85s is a great find. You know, trying to buy Intellitouch controls. Intellitouch controls alone on eBay go for, I think the W32s and the W85s go for close to $100 each. So yeah, I could just turn around and sell these 2 controls on eBay. So don't make me do that, because I will. And then I'll sell the board separately, and I'll just have all kinds of, you know, and then sell the motor to the scrapyard. Or I could actually, you know what I would do? This is what I would do. I would sell the controls and the board, and then convert the motor to just like a single speed to operate with a wall control, and then sell the fan for like $50. You know, and I would make like, let's say 75 from each control. I don't know how much the boards go for, so let's say $50, and I'd make $200. Now I'd make $250 off the entire fan.
Nice.
So yeah, you guys talked me into it. Yeah, so make your offers, and I need to get it out here soon. Well, Andy was pointing to himself. What did you do?
No, that's
Pointing to me.
this guy.
Yeah. So okay. Well, that's all I got for this one. You got anything, Metal Pete?
Nope, that is all.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching.